If you want to use circle to search on OPPO Reno 15, you can activate it by pressing and holding your finger on the navigation handlebar for a second or two, and if you use buttons for navigation instead, you want to press and hold the home button for the same amount of time. So first, let's open, let's say, a Google app for the reference. So now we're gonna activate circle to search. There we go, and you should be able to, for example, select the area that you want to look for in Google search. So it looks like this. Then you should be able to get the results based on the selected area. You can still adjust the area if you want to. What you can also do is you can simply tap on a subject, on the thing that you're interested in, and this works as well. You can tap on a text as well. If it's possible, of course, you can select the text over here and you can copy it, for example, or you can search for it in Google search. Besides that, what we also have is the option to search for a song. So if you tap on this music note button, then you can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get the song title. So if you are, let's say, somewhere outside or in a party or something like that, and you can hear a song and you wish to know the title of that song, then you can probably turn this option on, let your phone listen to the background noise for a little bit, and then if it can, it will detect the song, of course, and you should get a Google search result with the song title and the artist, of course. Now, another option is the screen translation. So if you tap on this translation button, you can detect the language, or actually the phone can detect the language, and then you can of course choose the target language, so it's going to be translated to the selected language of your choice. So if I choose another language in here, then it should be easily translated, as you can see. Now, apparently it should be possible, at least in the future, to scroll up and down to not have to, exit the overlay and then turn on again in order to translate the screen again. Right now, we are stuck on this captured area. You can technically use two fingers to scroll up or down, but it doesn't really matter. As you can see, there's nothing above or below over here. Now, in case it doesn't work, in case you press and hold the finger on the navigation bar or the home button and it doesn't work, then you can go to settings, then over here we can go to the system and update, then system navigation, and over here we can find the circle to search. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.